Okay, today I want to show you something I came up with that's really helpful when you're working on your engine and you're opening up your hood and you're looking into the cavity. You're finding things around your car that you like to take care of and take a look at, make sure it works. And that's what we're working at today. But I got an idea that you might really like. Okay, when you open your hood on your Corvette, there's when you're going to work on something around the engine, you just can't get enough light on everything to be able to see all the spots you want. So you normally, when you pick up the hood, you have these lights here, and in my case I have them turned off because I have the hood up so much it would just run the battery down. But I got to put light on this. And of course, you can easily use a handheld light like this to be able to see the things you're looking at, trying to work on. But sometimes it's difficult to see the entire thing if you had a leak or something. That's where this light I'm going to show you. Now you can get this. Here's what I use off of a string. Boy, this is bright and you can see things, no question about it. I love this underneath the car because I can just set it like this on the edge and light up the whole bottom of the car. But up here, unless you're looking for one specific thing, that's about where it works the best. But what I want to show you today is this is the same lights that I use on the ceiling of the garage here. And this is 44 inches. It was like 15 bucks. It fits right up in top of where your wheel covers hole. And it locks between those two, so it's that easy. And all you gotta do is plug it in, and watch the difference here when I plug this in. I mean, it lights up your whole engine cavity. I mean, you can see down deep here, you can see into here, and here's the beauty of this. Now, it doesn't mean you won't still use this or the other light to be able to spotlight, but generally looking at your car, you can see the entire engine. And the beauty is because this is frosted, it does not leave a strong shadow. So you could be working on something or cleaning something and your hand or your body is not hiding what you're working on. Very nice feature. And I think it was like 15 bucks, but it's certainly something you should put in your arsenal. So when you're in the garage, you're going to work on something on the car, you put this in there for your engine cavity. You can see so much. The nice thing about it, if you had a leak somewhere and you didn't exactly know where it's coming, this gives you a head start. Then maybe you use your LED light to trace it down. But the combination here is you see a lot. But I'll tell you one thing, once you turn this light on, every little imperfection inside your cavity here makes you go, oh, I got to get a rag, I got to clean that, I got to make this look good, because it changes the way you see it, because you're seeing everything all at the same time. Big change. I unplug it, and how I plug it in, what a difference that you can see. So it's an advantage to be able to see any problems you have and correct them. Not a bad investment. So if you don't have something like this to use, go get one.